Smart Antibacterial Dishwashing Liquid at Knorr Cubes.
Matapos kumain at mabusog sa French dish, isang bisita ang dumating, dala ang kanilang tunay na gagawin.
Kumusta?
Buti po.
How's your early dinner? Ha?
Sobrang siguro hindi lang sana yung, kasi first time ko siya.
So nakuha nyo naman yung textures, nalasahan nyo.
Opo.
Kumbaga sa bilang cooks, dapat matandaan mo yung ginagawa nyo.
Yes po.
Di ba? Kaya kung natatandaan nyo yung kinain nyo ngayon, yung oven roasted honey glazed duck breast, yan ang gagawin nyo ngayon doon sa kusina. Dapat parehong-pareho ang inyong gagawin, ha?
Opo, chef.
Tatandaan nyo ba?
Opo,
Pati
chef.
the doneness of the duck breast. Dapat ay parehong-pareho. Kung ganon, okay. Tapos na ba kayong kumain?
Okay, chef.
Tara!
Okay, chef.
Let's go to the kitchen, ha? Hi, Chef Stepan.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you today?
Yeah, fine, thank you.
Nice to see you here.
Yeah. I would like to
Nice.
present to you the two contestants from our competitions,
Okay.
Mr. Jazz and Jude. The one you did a while ago, the oven glazed duck with the breast of, American duck probably.
French.
French, yeah. So they will be the one to prepare also what you did.
Okay. So I will show you first, and then you will cook it afterwards. Alright?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Good.
Alright.
Good.
All yours now?
All mine
Leave it to
now.
them now for a while.
Thank you, chef.
So that means we make it
Bago
easier.
sumabak sa showdown, dumaan muna ang cook sa French cooking
Yes.
lessons.
So but first you have to think about, okay, which of those items takes the longest time to cook, yeah, and which one the shortest one. So you start, of course, because you want to all together on one time. Yeah, so you start with the one which one takes the longest time. And this is for me actually the potato muesli, because we have to boil the potatoes.
Siyempre, litong-lito din. Bilis niya. Meron dun sa kabila, meron sa kabila. Parang apat ata yung preparation niya for broccoli, carrots, yung sa duck, tsaka dun sa potato. So, apat yung burner na ginagamit niya. Siyempre, iba-iba yung nalilito rin kami. Tinatry talaga naming dalawa na i-memorize yung gagawin kasi kami gagawa nun after him.
Let's check the duck breast. Yeah, so now we glaze them a little bit with honey. Nice sous bee, honey bee, yeah, whatever. Yeah, we glaze them a little bit with honey. Okay, and now we are ready for plating.
Ang mga cook magpapasiklaban na sa pagluto ng French dish.
So you have 45 minutes to prepare. You can utilize all the equipments and also the ingredients you have to utilize. Okay? Make it nice at magandang presentation. Alright? Cooks, pasiklaban na! high school word. Okay, Cooks. You have 30 minutes na lang. What's going on? So far, so good? Kayang-kaya na?
Kayang-kaya naman, chef.
What you have? Nasa oven na yung ano?
Nasa oven na
Duck.
po yung duck ko.
Okay. So, gagawin mo na lang vegetables.
Opo. Mashed potato,
Mashed potato.
the vegetable.
Naboil na ba yung potato mo?
Binoboil ko na po siya.
Ah, okay. So, yun lang pala. Ready na. Yung sauce mo almost done.
Opo.
Mukhang confident ka. Just,
Nakinig lang mabuti po.
nakinig mabuti.
Opo.
Good. Kumusta na?
Chef, dito na po.
Okay na yan?
Okay na po.
I-open mo pa ba yan?
Opo, i-oven na po.
How many minutes?
At least 10 minutes po.
10 minutes.
170 degrees.
Okay. Good. So far, meron ka ng gulay, meron ka ng potato. Kayang-kaya ba? Hindi ka naman nahirapan?
Hindi po.
Hindi naman.
Kaya naman. Masasabi ko, syempre, kung ikaw siguro sa ibang tao, kung first time mo, syempre malito ka doon. Kung hindi mo talaga, yung ginawa talaga namin, nag-focus na talaga kami at tiningnan talaga namin isa-isa kung anong ginawa ni Chef Stefan. Even na even na mabilis yung pag-prepare niya, nagawa naman namin na ma-memorize yung lahat na mga kakailanganin doon.
Just, Jude, you have 15 minutes na lang.
Matapos ang pagluluto, oras na para sa plating. Cooks, ilabas nyo na ang inyong creative juices.
3, 2, 1. Hands up!
Sana si Jennifer na naging apo ko. Naalala ko sa kanya si Jacob nung